In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Canva. If you spend a lot of time designing in Canva, especially during long work sessions, switching to dark mode can make the interface much more comfortable to look at. It helps reduce glare from a bright screen and can make it easier to stay focused while you work. The good news is that Canva includes a built-in dark mode setting, so you do not need to rely on browser extensions or outside tools. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to turn it on. To get started, make sure you're on your main Canva dashboard. If you're currently inside a design project presentation or any editing screen, go to the top left area of the page and click Home. This takes you back to your primary Canva workspace, which is where you can access your account-wide settings. Starting from the dashboard is helpful because the changes you make here apply more consistently across your Canva experience. Once you're back on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a settings icon shaped like a gear, usually located near your profile area. Click that gear icon to open your account settings. This is the main place where Canva stores personal preferences and interface options, including theme settings. When the settings page opens, look along the left side for the main account navigation. In most cases, you'll already be on the section you need. Now move to the center of the page and scroll down through the account options until you find the area labeled theme. Take your time here because it may be a little farther down depending on how your settings page is laid out. Inside the theme section, you'll see three choices: sync with system, light, and dark. To enable Canva's dark mode, simply click dark. As soon as you select it, Canva updates the interface right away. The bright white menus and panels shift to a darker appearance, giving you a lower glare workspace that feels much easier on the eyes. To confirm everything worked properly, return to Home and open any recent design. Once the editor loads, you should notice that the side panels, toolbars, and interface elements now appear in dark mode, while your actual design canvas remains clear and easy to view. That balance is important because it keeps the workspace comfortable without affecting the colors in your design. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Canva, and your workspace should now feel cleaner, calmer, and much more comfortable for longer design sessions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.